Evaluation. Why do we evaluate? What's its purpose? Well, in the CAPTC Evaluation Unit, we believe that listening to the voices of the communities and populations we work with is vital to achieving social justice and health equity. And when we listen, we often hear not just one voice, but the voices of many diverse perspectives offering insight, expertise, and knowledge. When we listen, we discover trends and creativity that can guide our direction and growth, making programmatic decisions easier and more clear. When we listen, we can better understand what works, and when something needs to be fixed or adjusted. So how do we listen? We listen through data. We do this by creating and setting up systems and processes that support programmatic goals, that identify indicators to measure, determine how and what to report, share, and disseminate, and allow us to continually monitor our processes and impacts. All these systems help us use the data we collect. We set up these systems internally, but there are external systems as well, and the evaluation unit also coordinates with these external systems that our partners bring to the table. In this way, we strive to ensure that the voices of those whom our programs impact the most are heard, and have the opportunity to contribute to the manner in which we choose to grow as an organization and the programs we develop and implement towards reaching social justice and health equity.